Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today, if you've ever been hampered by having a small backdrop, I'm going to be showing you how to use the content aware tool in Photoshop in order to get around that problem. And also I'm going to show you how to stretch the canvas by a very simple means in Photoshop. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. So once I'm in Photoshop, I press Command J to duplicate the layer, then go over to Marquee tool here in order to select the area that I want to change. Go to the top on the left hand side, press Edit and press Content Aware. At the moment it's on automatic, but you can change this. And as you can see, it's done a very good job in actually taking the pixels and moving them around. I'm going to move this line by using the patch tool. And as you can see, it's done a very good job. If I pop back into Lightroom, I want to just darken this new area. So I get the gradient tool and just bring it across slightly, not too much, and just darken it. So now I'll show you how to stretch the canvas. So I actually want this handsome creature in the center of the photo. So I'm going to take it into Lightroom. I'm going to Command J, reproduce the layer. Go to Image, Canvas Size. I'm going to change it to percentage to 120% on each side. Then I'm going to get Marquee tool, and this is the area I want to stretch. By pressing Ctrl T, it stretches the canvas. As you can see, it puts it in the middle. Then I'm going to just recrop the image. And voila, it's done. If we go back into Lightroom and show you both images, you can see the one on the left is in the center. Don't forget, why not subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button? You know what to do. And I'll catch you on the other video. Right, bye for now.